So hi guys, I know it's been a while since I've been on camera. This dress is a little too big and these straps was falling. Girl, before I came on camera, my little areola was out. Everything. Anywho, so this is going to be a quick little video about some Amazon home finds I have. I got a couple things here I'm gonna show, and then you'll see like the video switch to like furniture pieces that I have. I'm not going to go too much in detail. I am going to link things down below. Certain things like my curtains, I am not going to show them, but I will link them down below and probably insert a picture from Amazon. But I am going to do a home update because I do have those hanging up. I haven't did anything for my bedroom, which is nothing huge, but I have patio furniture, so I'm going to do a home update, and that's when I'll show you everything. But let's get into it. My lipstick, I have a monitor here, so yeah. Anywho, quick little drinky drink. If you have seen my previous video or my YouTube shorts, you have definitely seen these candlesticks, these textured candlesticks. If you are not new to my channel, you know I love textured things, and I got two of these candlestick holders, not candlesticks. I'll insert a video of what it looked like, where I have them placed. So this is my dining room table. You've probably seen this before, but I have them placed right here on top of this long behind bread thingy and these lovely flowers in this vessel. But yeah, I like it, just to see what it looks like. Another thing I have from Amazon, which I love, this handy dandy, I don't know what this thing is called. It's like, I don't have a dish rack for when, like, the dishes I do wash. I only wash, like, pots and pans and certain things that are not dishwasher safety. But this go above, like, over your sink, and you place your dishes on it. I'll show y'all how I have it. Well, in my next video. And the next thing, I'm pretty sure you all have saw these. This is a knife set. I don't have all the knives in here right now. But this is a knife set. I like it because it's black. If you're new to my channel, a lot of my stuff is black and white, and these knives are very sharp. They do come with a knife sharpener and I think a potato peeler, but they're very sharp. I know I ordered some professional cutting knives from Wayfair, and it's a good name brand, and they wasn't as sharp as these. So we'll switch over. Before I go to this mirror, I will talk about this mirror I got from Amazon. I love the mirror, but I'm gonna say I love it. I like the mirror, but I wish it was a little bit bigger. I am going to keep the mirror, but I don't know where I don't think I'm gonna keep it where it's at. So here's where I have it. I'm still doing this around and stuff. I had another vessel, but I moved it. Anywho, I ordered some other stuff to come up here, but this is the mirror. You see, I like the detailing on it because I do have a mirror from our house. Such a beauty. I'll show that in my video, my next video. But you see how I was expecting it to be bigger, but I'm going to keep it. I'm just not going to keep it right here. These are the stools. I think on Amazon they looked a little beiger. I can't remember, but I still like the color. The only thing is they do not fit underneath my island, but I love them. I got 3 of them. So if you are new to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, share. If you're not new, please like, comment, and share. And y'all already know to tell a friend to bring a friend so we can all be friends.